Hi, welcome to Plumable. It's great to have you here. Let's fix your plumbing or electrical issue quickly and safely. So go ahead and click the Fix My Issue button. Then, choose either plumbing or electrician. I'm going to request a plumber. And then, I'm going to describe my plumbing issue. So, there is dog hair in the bathtub and the drain is clogged. Alright, then hit continue. And here, I'm just going to input my information so I can get service. My name is Mike Theodore. And I'm going to put my address and Southwest. And then if you have an apartment or a buzzer, you can enter them here, although they are optional. And my phone number is 403. I'm just going to put a fake phone number for now. And then hit continue. Then if everything is okay, then hit confirm. And there you go. This is your dashboard where you can activate your request and click the Get Help button. Thank you so much.